Welcome to Carolina. I'm Holden Thorp. Our campus uses energy, from powering classrooms, residence halls, and research labs, to taking care of patients at hospitals and clinics, and even keeping the lights on at the Dean Dome. Carolina needs a lot of energy. But our energy consumption has financial, environmental, and social consequences. So we've been exploring new ways to use energy more efficiently. Last summer, we implemented a comprehensive energy policy that laid the foundations for our efforts. We're now working to improve the mechanical performance of our existing buildings and to make sure that new buildings conform to our energy standards. But buildings alone are not enough. We need you and the whole university community to do its part. Now, let's hear from students and staff about how energy is generated and used at Carolina and how you can help conserve it.
Hi, I'm Chris Martin, the Director of Energy Management at UNC. Energy management is responsible for reduction of energy and water use in our buildings. As Chancellor Thorp discussed, we at Carolina take conservation very seriously. We're committed to reducing our environmental footprint and reducing our financial utility burden. We welcome you to campus and ask that you keep your eyes and your ears open for opportunities to conserve. Now, let's take a look at where our energy comes from and how you can help.
My name is Phil Barner. I'm the manager of cogeneration systems at the university. Behind me is the cogeneration facility. This facility produces the steam that's used on campus. The steam leaves here, goes through a system of piping that's 45 miles long. Before it leaves here, it goes through a turbine generator, which is what the cogeneration process is all about. Turbine generator produces electricity, about 25% of the electricity used on campus. And because of this process of producing both steam and electricity, it's a highly efficient plant, about twice the efficiency of a normal power plant.
My name is Doug Mullen. I'm the manager of chill water operations on campus. We're standing outside the Gary R. Tompkins Chill Water Operations Center. It's one of our 5 plants on campus with a total capacity of 50,000 tons, which is equivalent to an average of 20,000 homes. Behind me is a 5 million gallon storage tank, which we use to offset electric costs.
Here are some of the things you can do to promote conservation on campus. It is important to turn off lights when leaving a room, even for short periods of time. 25% of electricity in the US is used for lighting alone. This is a simple task that can make a big difference. If you have a desk lamp, campus policy requires that you use compact fluorescent bulbs. Computers and monitors should also be turned off after use. You should also reduce electricity settings by turning down the brightness and setting your computer to sleep automatically. If you work in an office or a lab setting, ensure that lights and equipment are turned off in common areas at the end of the workday. Energy management is working to decrease the use of energy on campus, but they need your help. Staff and students must adopt conservation as a core value in order for us to reach our goals of carbon neutrality. It is expected that all UNC students and staff follow the actions set out by UNC's energy use policy, which can be found online.
Energy conservation is an imperative here at Carolina. You are joining a great community, and one that has made energy conservation a core value. By following our energy policy, you establish an expectation of awareness and efficiency that carries to your peers. We all have a stake in this, and with your help, we can make our campus the most energy efficient in the country. It's the Carolina way.